First, open Coreldraw and set the document dimensions so that they'll be large enough to fit the vehicle dimensions. In this example, the vehicle is 202.8 inches long and 78.7 inches in height, so we'll make a page size of 210 by 80 to accommodate that. Also, make sure that the primary color mode has been set to RGB. Next, go to Window, Dockers, and open up the Connect Docker. This window may display on its own, or it can be attached to the Dockers on the right. Coreldraw has an extensive catalog of vehicle templates that you can choose from. Simply search for the name of the vehicle in the search box at the top of the Connect screen. In this example, I'll search for the name Dodge Minivan. This example looks like the vehicle that I'll be working with, so I'll drag and drop it onto the screen. To work with a single vehicle template out of the bunch, select the image and then ungroup. You can do this by using the key combination Control and the letter U on your keyboard, or by choosing Ungroup from the Arrange menu. Delete the images that you won't be using, and then resize the vehicle to the proper dimensions. These lines indicate an area of the vehicle that has trim. Since the image will overlap that anyways, I'll go ahead and delete it so that it won't interfere with the designing of the wrap. You can select the car color by expanding the group, choosing the curve at the bottom that has the white fill, and then selecting a different color from the color palette. In this design, however, we'll be working with a white van and adding a splash of color across the corner, so I'll set no fill as the base color and then convert the shape into a powerclip frame. To do this, right-click on the curve in the Object Manager, select Frame Type, and then choose Create Empty Powerclip Frame. Now, we'll create a splash of color. Draw a rectangle, and then from the Arrange menu, convert the object to curves. Next, use the Shape tool to select the upper left node, and delete it to make this into a triangle. From the Interactive Properties bar, you can convert any selected straight line into a curved line. Now it's just a matter of artistic preference. In this example, I'll curve the line and add some color and then some transparency to it. Now it can be power clipped into the frame. Click the Edit Power Clip button to do further adjustments, and then simply click the Stop Editing Contents button when it's complete. And now we have a background for the design. Next, import any images that will be used on the wrap. You can drag the image into the power clip, and then you'll be prompted to hold down the letter W on your keyboard to add this component into the power clip frame. Click the Edit Power Clip button again to adjust the image. And then once again, when you've finished, you can click the Stop Editing Contents button. Next, we'll design the name of the company. I'll create this artistic text line by line. I'll set the font size to 200 points so that I can see what I'm typing, and then increase the size and color manually after. Next, change the font to Gabriola and choose Style Set 7 for each line of text. The text can be added to the power clip frame and then sized and positioned accordingly. I'll repeat the same steps for the phone number, except I'll leave that with the default style. That way it'll be easier for people to read. When the design has been approved, since the image of the van will not be printed, the power clip frame alone can be extracted and exported for printing. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create vehicle wraps in Coreldraw X6.